the twin Orisha Ibeji of duality, joy, and balance. Ìbejì, the divine twins, represent duality, balance, youth, and joy. They embody the harmonious coexistence of opposites, such as male and female, light and dark, and individuality within unity. Their presence in the 16 Ode Meiji highlights themes of partnership, prosperity, and the importance of maintaining equilibrium in life. Ìbejì are also deeply connected to the concept of Egbe, heavenly companions, representing spiritual connections that transcend the physical realm. Orisha Ibeji, the divine twins, embody duality, balance, and the unpredictable twists of destiny, bringing joy, abundance, and unexpected lessons. They manifest as forces of harmony through opposites, showing that laughter, innocence, and paradox are divine tools for navigating life. In Eji Ogbe, they represent the pure creative forces that bring vitality, protection, and the blessings of prosperity. They ensure that life remains in motion, constantly renewing itself through the energy of youth. In Yemoja, they remind us that life and death are two sides of the same reality, teaching that where something ends, another begins. Their presence ensures that transitions, even those marked by sorrow, hold the seeds of new possibilities. Òrúnmìlà reveals their role as tricksters and problem solvers, showing that wisdom is often hidden in laughter and spontaneity. Through their childlike playfulness, they uncover truths that rigid thinking overlooks. In Ode Meiji, Ibeji governs the mysteries of restriction and release, showing that even in confinement, there is space for joy and invention. They remind devotees that children are a source of blessings and that lineage carries forward the essence of existence. Oshun Meiji highlights their protective nature, especially for children and mothers, ensuring that purity and innocence are shielded from harm. Here, their presence is a powerful force against misfortune, reminding us that a joyful heart can dispel negativity. In Wonrin Meiji, they wield the chaotic force of fate, shifting fortune in unexpected ways, sometimes bringing luck, other times mischief. They show that destiny can change in an instant, and flexibility is key to survival. Bara Meiji portrays them as givers of wealth and abundance, ensuring that those who embrace adaptability and balance in their dealings will always prosper. In Okanran Meiji, they appear as forces of rapid transformation, pushing individuals into new experiences that challenge their perspectives. They teach that sometimes chaos is necessary for growth. Gunumeji reveals as warriors, protectors of youth and defenders of justice, aligning them with the divine battle against oppression and misfortune. They bring both unpredictability and divine intervention in conflicts, ensuring that justice is served through strategic wisdom. Meiji presents them as messengers between worlds, whispering hidden truths through riddles, play, and unexpected encounters. Their dual nature allows them to navigate both the seen and unseen realms with ease. Ikemeji highlights their connection to health and vitality, showing that twins are carriers of healing energies and can ward off illness through their divine presence. In Otorupon Meiji, Ibeji teaches the power of charm, wit, and persuasion. Their ability to use words effectively makes them natural mediators, storytellers, and negotiators, turning obstacles into opportunities through clever speech. Otora Meiji reveals them as the guardians of destiny's unpredictable nature, ensuring that life remains dynamic and ever-changing. They remind us that fate is not a straight path, but a dance of shifting possibilities. In Ireta Meiji, they hold the mysteries of balance, teaching that seemingly opposing forces must work together for spiritual growth and stability. Ose Meiji celebrates their presence in rituals and ceremonies, showing that joy, playfulness, and offerings to the Orishas bring success and spiritual elevation. Finally, in Ofun Meiji, Ibeji represents the eternal cycle of completion and renewal, teaching that childlike wonder and the power of opposites are essential for divine wisdom. They remind us that the end of one cycle is always the birth of another, and that within every challenge, there is an opportunity for rebirth. Across all 16 Odu Meiji, Ibeji teaches that balance, joy, and paradox are divine forces shaping human destiny. Whether through blessings or sudden reversals, they show that embracing life's dual nature leads to wisdom, success, and a deeper connection to the divine. Duality in creation in Ogbemeji. In Odu Ogbemeji, Beji symbolize the balance required for creation and growth. Their energy fosters unity in diversity and emphasizes the importance of collaboration. Myths recount Beji helping Òrúnmìlà by mediating between two conflicting parties, teaching the value of working together to achieve progress. Their presence in this Odu calls for harmony and mutual understanding in partnerships. The Guardians of Renewal, Oyekumeji. In Odo Oyekumeji, Ibeji's duality reflects the cycle of endings and new beginnings. They represent the transformative energy that follows closure, ensuring that life continues to flourish. Myths in this Odu describe Beji as guiding souls to embrace change with optimism, teaching that every ending carries the promise of renewal. Joyful communication in Owori-meji. In Odu Iwori-meji, emphasize the importance of joyful and truthful communication. Myths recount the twins using humor and playfulness to resolve tensions within a family, reminding the querent that laughter and lightheartedness can heal even the deepest rifts. Their presence in this Odu encourages maintaining open and positive dialogue. The protectors of family bonds in Odu Odi-meji. In Odi Ojej, Ibe collaborate with Yemoja to strengthen family unity and harmony. They ensure that familial bonds are nurtured and protected. A myth tells of Ibeji reuniting a divided household by fostering understanding and forgiveness. Their role in this Odu highlights the importance of cherishing family relationships. Guardians of Ancestral Wisdom in Odu Orosun-meji. In Odu Orosun-meji, Beji connect the living with their Egbe and ancestors, emphasizing the continuity of life through spiritual ties. They appear as mediators who ensure that ancestral guidance is received with clarity and respect. Myths describe Beji helping a child rediscover their Egbe, leading to a life of joy and fulfillment. Their presence in this Odu encourages honoring one's spiritual lineage. Prosperity through balance, Odu-meji. In Odu Owanren-meji, Ibeji govern the dynamics of trade and exchange. They teach that prosperity arises from maintaining balance in giving and receiving. Myths describe Ibeji blessing a merchant who shared his wealth with the less fortunate, reinforcing the principle of reciprocity. This Odu emphasizes fairness and mutual benefit. Playfulness amidst challenges in Odu Obara-meji. In Odu Obara-meji, Beji bring lightheartedness and resilience to moments of hardship. Their energy encourages the querent to find joy even in difficult times. Myths recount Ibeji dancing and playing to lift the spirits of a struggling community, teaching that a positive mindset can overcome adversity. The power of unity in Odu Okanran-meji. In Odu Okanran-meji, Ibeji demonstrate the strength of unity and cooperation. They show that combining diverse perspectives leads to greater outcomes. Myths tell of guiding a group of travelers to safety by working together, illustrating the importance of collective effort in achieving success. Creation and destruction in Odu Ogunmeji. In Odu Ogunmeji, Ibeji represent the duality of creation and destruction in the pursuit of balance. Myths tell of Ibeji advising a farmer to diversify his crops, ensuring resilience against natural disasters. Their presence in this Odu reminds the querent that adaptability and teamwork are essential for overcoming challenges and achieving harmony. Odu's duality in spiritual justice. In Odu Osameji, Ibeji assist Osaronga in maintaining balance and justice. They ensure that divine laws are applied fairly, emphasizing the interplay of light and shadow in achieving equilibrium. Myths recount Ibeji exposing hidden truths to protect the innocent, teaching that justice requires both strength and compassion. the protectors against isolation in Odu Ikameji. In Odu Ikameji, Ibeji remind the querent of their spiritual connections and the importance of community. They help individuals overcome feelings of isolation by reconnecting them with their Egbe. Myths tell of Ibeji appearing to a lonely traveler, guiding them back to their family and spiritual home. This Odu emphasizes the value of companionship. Joy and reconciliation in Odu Oturupon Meji. In Odu Oturupon Meji, Ibeji foster joy and harmony in relationships. They encourage forgiveness and the mending of broken bonds. Myths describe Ibeji orchestrating a festival to celebrate a long-awaited reunion between estranged siblings, teaching the querent to cherish and nurture their connections. The bringers of hope in Odu Otura Meji. In Odu Otura Meji, Ibeji symbolize hope and renewal. Their presence reminds the querent that brighter days follow periods of struggle. Myths recount Ibeji guiding a grieving family to rediscover joy through communal celebrations, illustrating the transformative power of optimism. The advocates of fairness in Odu Iret Meji. In Odu Iret Meji, Ibeji promote fairness and equity. They appear as mediators who resolve disputes by ensuring that all parties are heard and respected. Myths tell of Ibeji intervening in a court case to prevent injustice, reinforcing their role as protectors of harmony. Harmony in Odu Ose Meji. In Odu Ose Meji, Ibeji's duality emphasizes the harmony needed to cultivate joy and prosperity. Myths recount the twins bringing balance to a community divided by conflict, teaching that unity invites blessings. This Odu reflects the importance of fostering positive relationships to ensure both spiritual and material success. The guardians of new life in Odu Ofun Meji. In Oun Meji, Ibeji's energy nurtures fertility and creativity. They bless families with children and ensure the continuity of life. Myths recount Ibeji aiding a barren couple through rituals and prayers, resulting in the birth of twins. Their presence in this Odu highlights the joy and blessings that come with new beginnings.